In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the interface and complete your purchase efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once the Google homepage appears, you can proceed to search for the Trust Wallet extension. This extension is essential for managing your cryptocurrency transactions securely. Next, locate and click on the Trust Wallet extension in the search results. This will redirect you to the Trust Wallet interface. Ensure that you are on the correct page before continuing to the next step. After accessing the Trust Wallet interface, look for the option labeled Fund. Clicking on this will allow you to manage your funds and initiate the process of buying cryptocurrency. Once you are on the funding page, find and click on the button that says Buy Crypto. This action will take you to the section where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Now, click on the search field that appears on the screen. This feature allows you to quickly find the specific cryptocurrency you want to buy. Type in BTC to search for Bitcoin. After entering BTT, a list of relevant results will be displayed. Click on the option that says BTT to select Bitcoin for purchase. This step is crucial as it identifies the specific cryptocurrency you intend to buy. Next, after selecting Bitcoin, you will see a button labeled Continue. Click on this button to proceed with your transaction. This action will guide you to the final steps of the purchase process. At this point, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully bought Bitcoin. This confirmation is essential as it assures you that the transaction has been completed without issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.